guys, I'm feeling pretty good today. No evil schemes, just enjoying the beach. Well, if it isn't my old pal Plankton. How was the world's tennis doing?
Ah, yeah, Plankton. Want to join us for some sunbathing and jellyfishing later? And son.
Yeah, we can teach you how to be less of a dickhead.
Plankton, me boyo, I've got a special treat for you.
Oh, hello, Mr. Krabs. What kind of treat? Is it a Krabby Patty?
Aye, that it is. But this one's got a little extra something in it.
Delicious, wait.
Just a wee bit of experimental nutrition, me bucko. Arr!
Hello.